cloud native platforms. Everything you need to know about cloud native platforms. So what is a cloud native platform? A cloud native platform refers to the idea and application of building and operating systems that take advantage of the distributed computing offered by the cloud delivery model. Cloud native applications are designed to be resilient and utilize the elasticity, order, and flexibility of the cloud. The Cloud Native Computing Foundation (CNCF) states that cloud native technologies empower organizations to run and build applications in public, private, and hybrid cloud types. A wide variety of features such as service meshes, microservices, immutable infrastructure, and application programming interfaces (APIs) are incorporated into cloud native applications, which enhance both security and data integrity. Cloud native applications use an efficient microservice based architecture that distributes resources equally amongst connected services, adding a degree of resiliency and maneuverability to a cloud based architecture. Cloud natives utilize the assorted tools employed by software developers and enables them to build innovative applications for the public cloud. What are cloud native microservices? Cloud native microservices are simply defined as an architecture approach that allows single applications to be broken down into smaller components or services. These services tend to be independently deployable and have a technology stack that's inclusive of both the data model and database management tool. Microwaves microservices allow users to communicate via multiple channels, including REST APIs, event streaming, and message brokers. When implemented correctly, microservices increase the functionality of code and allow for effortless updates. Each microservice works within a larger context to implement specific business capabilities or actions. Microservices are autonomously developed, self contained, and encapsulated in independent storage technology. What is Cloud Native API? APIs, Application Programming Interface, support cloud native through the use of microservices. Services communicate through well-defined channels using the API interface. One of the biggest problems that developers face when creating services for business support cases is the capacity to quickly consume and utilize them to satisfy demands. APIs are used to expedite the development process and boost the continuous consumption of services.